What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are discussing AWS SimuLearn Learning Plan Badges. So this is verifiable proof of hands-on cloud skills that AWS has just recently introduced to the market. Cloud skills remain one of the most in-demand capabilities in the workforce, and the way people demonstrate them is changing fast. Learners increasingly want training that builds the skills employers actually hire for, and they want a credential they can show for it. Today we're excited to announce AWS SimuLearn Learning Plan Badges, a new way for learners to showcase the hands-on cloud skills they've built. When a learner completes all assignments in a SimuLearn learning plan, they earn an official AWS badge that represents the work they completed, customer conversations, architecture design, hands-on building, and validated outcomes. So what these SimuLearn badges do is they place you in a real world scenario where you act as I'll use an example of a solutions architect, and they'll say, hey, for the city of Boston, Massachusetts, we need a new website, or we may need a parking tracking app or something like that. But anyway, they're coming to you with a real world problem, and then it's your responsibility as the uh, architect to understand the problem, ask questions about the problem, and then recommend a solution using AWS infrastructure. So it's pretty cool. I went through one or two a couple days ago, so just trying to get my feet wet. Just wanted to see what the experience was truly like. So it's definitely beneficial. So you should definitely take a look at it if you're interested in getting that real world experience. So a couple more things to note here are that there are a total of 12 learning plans and 12 badges, and each badge is tied directly to what you built. Um, Within the 12 badges, so you got AI architect, AI practitioner, cloud practitioner, solutions architect, security, networking, serverless, developer, machine learning, data analytics, financial services, healthcare, and manufacturing and auto. So within the 12, there are two badges that are free, and those are the cloud practitioner and the AI practitioner. The rest of the badges you need to have a AWS Skill Builder subscription. So how does it work? You enroll in a SimuLearn learning plan on each AWS Skill Builder. Sorry, let me repeat that. Enroll in a SimuLearn learning plan on AWS Skill Builder and complete each assignment. As you progress, you engage with virtual customers, design architectures, build solutions in real AWS environments, and validate your work. When you complete the final assignment, your badge is issued automatically through Credly. SimuLearn Learning Plan badges extend the same proven model used by AWS Cloud Quest. When learners share their accomplishments at rates well above industry benchmarks. Bringing this model to SimuLearn, we're giving learners a verifiable credential for the rigorous hands-on work they're already doing. So yeah, this is basically putting a stamp on what you're doing, and the best thing about this is the they provision an AWS environment for you, and then it kind of has, at least the ones that I've done, it kind of says, hey, go to this S3 bucket and kind of do these steps. So you get to interact with the console, you get to apply permissions. Just kind of, it really depends on what you're building and what the need is for it. But It does give you that hands-on feel in the AWS console, so you get familiar with that, and learning to apply IAM rules and things of that nature. So, um, definitely worth your time if you're looking to get that AWS experience, the hands-on experience, and either you don't have your own personal AWS account, or you don't want to spend money on the AWS account. Like I said, you can do quite a bit in the provision environment that they give you, but it's only limited to what you need to do for that particular assignment. So, at any rate, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check back in with you later, guys. Thanks.